Here's a 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Projecting strength and durability and built to back it up, this Silverado 1500 is definitely one book you can judge by its cover. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, electronic shift on the fly, engine auto stop start feature, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth streaming audio, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, manual tilting steering column, front tow hooks, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
At Dave Sinclair Buick GMC, our customer service speaks for itself. Visit today. We're conveniently located at 5655 South Lindbergh Boulevard in St. Louis.